Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Pearl Rose. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned because I would be listing and show you guys what products I used to achieve this look. I first started off by using the Absolute New York 2-in-1 Brow Perfector to do my brows. I'm using the GB Space Concealer in the shade J12 to conceal underneath my brows. The Beauty by Stony Remedy eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Well, this is not how it looked like when I got it obviously. I broke the mirror because I'm so careless. But this palette, I love the shades in there. Like, the brown is deep enough for my skin. And I'm pretty sure it's deep enough for someone that's darker than me who actually show up and doesn't look ashy. Okay, you guys, so the first color I went into my lids with was Spice, an orange, like it's like a burnt orange shade. The second color I used is Midnight, which is that pure black shade that I also used on my lids. Camera, it doesn't look dark enough, but in person it does. See, this is one thing I don't like about black shadows. You can go from looking like, it depends on how you use it, you can end up looking like you've been punched in the face. That's one thing I hate about blending black shadows. It scares me. Sometimes you just end up looking like, if you don't blend it well, you're going to be looking like, yeah, somebody just harassed you in the streets. So I was using the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Glue Primer, and I just added it on top of the black shade that I had used previously. Luxe Glam Cosmetics Glitter Glue. I don't know what shade this is. I'll have it, when I find the shade name, I'll put it in the description box. But it's like this. I'm actually really scared to use it now. It's like a green. I don't know if it'll go. Hey you guys, so I found the name of the shade. It's called Dipped in Mocha by Luxe Glam Cosmetics. Sadly, they do not carry that shade anymore. The blue chunky glitter that I used is the shade Midnight Diamond from the Duchess Club Cosmetics, and I just applied it on top of the glitter that I already used before. That's my inner corner. I don't know if you guys can see it. Chemistry for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier foundation primer. To use the shade Cameroon in the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. But this is my first time trying out this shade, to be honest with you. So let's see how this goes. I don't know if it's going to be. Is this broken? No. Ooh. I love how golden this concealer is. I'm not used too much if I have to order again. Mine's broke right now, you know. Well, not broke, but I can't be spending unnecessary money right now. I'm using the Glitter Stick foundation in the shade Katsina to contour my face. Setting powder, I'm going to be using chalk dust by the crayon case in the shade Y to set my under eye. I'm also going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami to set the areas that I use the stick foundation to contour. I'll go in with this Black Radiance True Loose Setting Powder in the shade Mahogany. Hey you guys, so what I did there was I used a little bit of that midnight shade that I applied on my beard to, you know, smoke out underneath my eyes a little bit. I'm using the LA Colors Black Mascara. Okay, Fenty Beauty Unreal Lipstick to line my lips. I'm using the crayon case lip gloss in the shade Clean Kisses. And I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Deuce Highlighter. I'm going to use the Absolute New York Eyelash Adhesive. This is the final look that I have created. Let me know what you think about this look down below. I am very tired. When I was shooting the first half of the video, the camera died, so I had to wait a long time for it to come back on and for me to complete the rest. So yeah, it's sad I don't have anywhere to go to, so this makeup is probably getting wiped off right now after I'm done with the video and taking pictures. Yeah, wiping it off. That seems like a waste of makeup, but I look cute though. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Like I said before, please like, share, subscribe, and also follow me on my social media pages. Thank you. Have a nice day.